In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Wix website as a PDF. This is a handy feature if you want to keep a backup of your site or need a static version for documentation or sharing purposes. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, and if you're already familiar with editing your site, you know the drill. Just go to the Wix website, log into your account, and select the site you want to download as a PDF. Once you're in the editor, make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. This is crucial because the PDF will capture the page layout as seen in the editor. Now, once you've confirmed how your site looks, you'll need to preview or publish your site. You can do this by clicking on the Preview or Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. After this, a crucial step awaits. You're going to press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This simple shortcut is going to open up the Print dialog box, a neat little feature that's your gateway to the PDF version of the website. In this dialog box, you're going to see various print settings. What you want to focus on here is the destination section. This is where you decide where and how the content gets printed. Click on the drop-down menu next to Destination, and from the list of options, select Save as PDF. This is an essential step because choosing the wrong option could result in misplaced content or incorrect formatting. After selecting Save as PDF, it's all smooth sailing from here. Beneath the destination choice, you'll find the Save button. Give it a click, and your computer will ask for a location to save this shiny new PDF file. Choose a folder on your hard drive where you can easily locate it later. Maybe even create a new folder specifically for website backups. It's a good organization tip that saves a lot of headaches in the future when you're trying to find that file amidst a sea of downloads. And just like that, your Wix website is now saved as a PDF. Isn't that simple and straightforward? You now have a version of your site that's easy to share, document, or simply keep as a record. Remember, this PDF won't capture animations or interactive elements, but it's perfect for text, images, and the general layout. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to export your Wix website in a format that's universally accessible. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your website. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your site backups.